Hello guys, it's Devika. Welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't noticed the thumbnail already, I'm going to be showing you some poses that you can do in some traditional dress. If you haven't already, make sure to catch my last video in that I showed you some more ideas for a at-home photo shoot. And if you've liked this video, make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let's basically get started. So similar to the last time, I have shot all these pictures on Snapchat, and unlike last time, this time I will mention the filters used in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out as well.
So as for the first look, it is quite self-explanatory what I'm doing here, and the filter I'm using is called Moody because in my last video I forgot to mention it. And as you can see, I'm just using my shawl as a prop here. And yeah, it is a really cute way of taking pictures, and these are how the pictures of the first set turned out to be. Now as for the second picture, it is more of to show off an interesting earring per se. So these are some poses for that. As you can see, I use the same filter again. And these are the pictures. As for the next pose, I tried to do something different. I tried to do some poses sitting down, and yeah, these are how those pictures turned out to be. Again, these are only some ideas for poses. It is really about experimenting and trying out new styles. And as for the final pictures, what I did was I set my camera on video mode, and I tried to do some swirls, and I took some screenshots.
And that is basically it for today's video, guys. If you have any recommendations, suggestions, make sure to leave it in the comment box down below. And if you have liked the video, make sure to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And yes, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.